YouTube channel logo, banner, and watermark. In the previous chapter, we created our YouTube channel. Now, let's go to our YouTube channel. As you'll notice, it's currently empty, since there are no videos uploaded. Before we dive into uploading a video, it's crucial to discuss the significance of a YouTube channel logo, banner, and watermark. Many new YouTube creators tend to overlook this step, but establishing a strong visual brand identity is essential. With thousands of channels out there, a well-designed logo, banner, and watermark are vital for building your brand, projecting professionalism, and protecting your content. These elements not only enhance your channel's visual appeal, but also help you stand out and grow your audience more effectively. What is the importance of a YouTube logo, banner, and watermark? Well, it helps in brand identity and recognition. A logo acts as your digital signature, helping viewers remember your channel. Banner. It sets the tone for your channel, giving a first impression of your content. Watermark subtly brands your videos, reinforcing your identity. A watermark also protects your content from theft by clearly identifying you as the creator. I have used Canva Pro to quickly create a logo, banner, and watermark, all the three essentials that we need. I put these together in under 5 minutes just to demonstrate how to upload them on YouTube. However, it's important to invest time and effort into these three elements, as they represent your channel's identity and helps your channel to look more professional, even if you are just starting out. We need to log into our channel after opening YouTube. We are already logged in. Now, click on Customize Channel. Click on Upload under Banner to upload the banner. I have saved them on my desktop for quick access. Now click on Done to upload the banner. Next, upload the profile picture. Now, click on Done to upload the picture. This is the name of the channel that we will not change. Here is the handle of your YouTube channel, which is simply an easy way to identify your YouTube channel. It usually starts with the @ symbol, followed by your chosen name. Handles are unique to each channel, making it easier for users to find and mention you across YouTube, including in comments, community posts, and video descriptions. This is the description of your channel. Your description appears in the About section of your channel and in search results. It is important to add a good description. We use ChatGPT to generate the description. Here we have the channel URL. Remember that your YouTube channel can have more than one URL that directs your audience to your channel homepage. These URLs can look different from one another, but each URL can point your audience to the same place, your channel. So we can have handle URLs, custom URLs, channel URLs, but remember they all serve the same purpose. Here you can add external links to your Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok accounts. And contact info is where you enter your email address. Remember, no personal emails. Make a business email so that your channel looks professional from day one. Finally, here we have to add a video watermark. Click on Upload to upload the watermark picture. The watermark will appear on your videos in the right-hand corner of the video player and really helps in branding your channel. Don't forget to hit the Publish button located on the top right in order to save all the changes. Alright. Remember how our YouTube channel looked before we added the logo, banner, and watermark? It was completely white, with no visual appeal at all. Now, let's refresh the homepage and see how it looks with these new additions. This is the same page, but now you can see the profile picture and YouTube banner, even though no videos have been uploaded yet. It's no longer a blank white page. Once you upload your videos, the watermark will be automatically applied. If you click on More, you'll see the full description we entered a few minutes ago, along with the email address we added. With just a few simple steps, our YouTube page already has a fresh, new look. This is the power of adding a logo, banner, and watermark. That is the power of branding on YouTube. People will recognize your YouTube channel by its logo, profile picture, watermark, just like they do with brands like Nike or Pepsi. Branding creates a lasting impression on visitors. For a successful YouTube channel, building a strong brand is essential, just as it is for any major company like Starbucks or Pepsi. Branding is crucial for any business, and as we've mentioned before, YouTube is no exception.